Mwami. My brother Nasir stayed on in Uganda right up to 2003, and he was in Masaka doing different little businesses. And then he got tired and he came back to Canada, but unfortunately he missed Uganda a lot. And 8 years ago, at the age of 69, he suddenly passed away. And he never got a chance to come back. And I miss him terribly. And I decided when he passed away very suddenly that I would do something in his memory. And so for today, for me, it is a very, very emotional day to open a school in his name.
Brother Dr. No Jaffer, for this special consideration that you gave to us. Many people forget where they were raised and bred. But for you to have remembered Masaka as a place where you grew up, and you thought it befitting to have this kind of facility in this place, I heartily thank you.